Okay, Chris again, board installation specialist. Right, today of days, this is what I call a little snip. It's a little gas combi, little Worcester 4000, 30 kilowatt. In a loft, couldn't ask for a better day. Normally, we do oil, gas every single day. This one comes, we've got our, always protects the plate heat exchanger. So, as standard, scale reducer goes on the cold water main leading into the boiler to protect that plate heat exchanger. We've got the Worcester filter there, 1.5 inch condensed pipe, so I'm going to cut this trap out, go straight into there. With my condensed pipe, I've got 22mm gas here. What more could I ask for? Everything's here. So yeah, get this piped up. It's all been flushed. 10-year guarantee for the customer. And that's it really. So yeah, what a lovely day today. Thank you.